Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Korean cheese corn with some Desi touches. So let's get started. For this recipe, heat a pan. I'm using a skillet, but you can use your regular pan if you do not have a skillet. Add butter and then add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and fry the garlic till it turns slightly golden in color. Then add 1 medium to big size chopped onion. Fry till the onions turn slightly pink in color. Next add 1 medium size finely chopped capsicum, 1 medium size chopped tomatoes, 1½ cup boiled sweet corn. You can boil sweet corn in some water for around 5 minutes and then use that sweet corn in this recipe. Mix well. Do not overcook the vegetables. Add some salt, ½ teaspoon chili flakes and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Yes, chili flakes and garam masala would make this dish very tasty. If you do not want to add garam masala, you can add any other masala, but make sure you add some masala. Then 2 to 3 tablespoon mayonnaise. You may add more. The corn already looks so delicious, but we are not done yet. Place a tawa and on top of that place your pan or skillet and lower the flame. Next add mozzarella cheese. I'm adding approximately ½ cup. You may add more if you want. Do not use cheese right out of your freezer. Just let it sit on your kitchen counter and become soft and then use in this recipe. Next I'm adding 1 cheese slice, but you can use processed cheese cube. Just grate it and use it, or any other cheese that you like. Finally some chili flakes. Cover and cook till the cheese melts and starts to bubble. Keep the flame low at this time. Wow, look at the bubbling cheese and the juices. Take your pan or skillet off your tawa and serve this dish right away. You can have it directly from the pan or can serve it in plates. I hope you like this recipe of Korean cheese corn with some Desi touches. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!